Hi, my name is Moses Komana. My student number is 18596444. My module code is ELB1502. The project name is firefighting car robot. I've created a firefighting car robot using flame sensors. When the sensors detect fire, the car moves towards the fire and the fan spins to extinguish the fire. With me here, I have all the components that are gonna help me assemble my robot car. I'm gonna mention them one by one and I'm gonna describe how they function. So with here, I have my two motors that will help me move the car around. And I have this one wheel here that will control it for the direction. And here I have my chasers board that I'll connect every component. Then I have my DC motors for the movement. I have a small switch here that will be in the middle to help me switch on and off my project. And I have my screws that will help me connect my DC motors on the board. And I have my jumper wires for wiring. And I have my screwdrivers that will help me tighten everything. And I have my tape here. And I have my fan here that will help me with distinguishing the fire. And I have my breadboard here for cabling and grounding and also powering my system. And I have my two flame sensors and I have a battery pack that will help me power my project. And I have a two relay module that will act as a switch to the fan. And I have my L29 motor that will help the DC motors for movement. And I have the Arduino Uno, of which is the main component out of all these components that will help me code and also deliver the information to all the components. Now I've done connecting my DC motors to the board and my third wheel. Now I'm gonna add my wheels to the DC motors. And I'm going to add my L29 to the chasers. I'm gonna paste it using a two-way tape. I'll just paste it like this. And I'm gonna add also the Arduino. I'm gonna paste it on the chasers board, just like this. Then I'm going to screw my DC motors to the L29. And, Then I'm gonna connect my Arduino with the L29. I'm gonna take my in one to pin D3. I'm gonna take my in2 to pin D4. And I will come back and take my in3 to pin 5. And I'll take my in4 to pin 6. Then my Arduino and L29, they are connected. I've now added my switch. I'm going to connect it with my battery pack that I've also installed here in the back of the chasers. I'm going to connect my red wires together like this. Then I'll just take them to avoid loose connection. Then they are now connected, the switch and the battery pack. I'm now going to add the breadboard and add connections. Just ground this. Now I'm going to power up my project and connect the two sensors. Ground them. Now I'm powering them. Let's power the Arduino. And we power the two motor together. Yes. Now I'm going to connect my last two components to the project. I'm going to connect the relay and my fan. Here. Then I'm going to wire them. Let me start with the fan. I'll extend this and I'm gonna ground it, and I'll put it here on the relay. Then I'm gonna power my relay. Pin 8. Just go to my ground my relay. Then my car is now fully connected. With me here I have the Arduino IDE software that I use to code and instruct how the car will work. Now I'm going to transfer the code into the Arduino. The cable is connected. I'm going to upload the code. Upload. Done uploading. And now I'm done connecting my robot car. I'm going to demonstrate how it functions. I have my flame here and I have the car here. The objective of the car is that when I'm going to light the flame, the car will come towards the flame, then the fan will spin to blow out the fire. Let me switch it on and demonstrate. I'm gonna start with this side and I'm gonna come to this side. In conclusion, this firefighting robot has taught me how to understand that sensors, fan, Arduino, the L29 motor and the relay can work together in solving real life problems. When the sensors detect flame, the car moves towards the flame and the fan spins to extinguish the fire, just like a real life firefighting system. Thank you.